has been quite some time. As you can see, this is my newer model. But let's leave the reintroductions for another video, okay? I'm making this video tutorial because some links went down from Twitter. You know, before Musk went full So, let me show you how to get and install the CSS Chats, okay? First, you want to go and open your web browser. And here, you can go to my new website. That is bolibertobt.com. Shameless plug here. And you can get the chat in free stuff. And you can download the first or second pack, okay? You will get the link, you will have to subscribe to the channel. So once you have downloaded and unzip it, I have here the 2 packs. You will have to, well, first you have to open the files. I recommend to you Notepad++ or Visual Code Studio to open, and if you want to edit it sometime later. Okay, so let's test the Cyberpunk CSS chat. So first you have here 5 files and the readme. So this is the CSS, this is the custom field, this is the HTML, the JavaScript, and this is a sound for the chat. So first let's open all of these files. Open with, sorry, Spanish is my first language. Oh, it's over here. So you have to open the CSS, the custom field, the HTML, the JavaScript file, and that's all. Then you will have to go to the web browser again, and all of these chats are only for Streamlabs, okay? But you don't have to have the Streamlabs OBS, just connect to the platform. Okay, so first let's put here reset code, and let's wait. As you can see, you have here the normal chat. So you will go all the way to the bottom. You will add custom fields over here. Just let's save it for the moment. And now open your Notepad++. This is the HTML. You go to HTML file. You can control copy and paste it. So copy, delete this over here, paste it. Go to the CSS and you will do the same thing. I recommend to you here using the shortcut Ctrl+A, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, and here again Ctrl+A, delete, and Ctrl+V. Okay, now the JavaScript file. Over here, Ctrl+A, Ctrl copy, Ctrl+A here, delete, Ctrl and paste. And here, this is going to say this is going to say custom fields, but I have it in Spanish. So edit custom fields, Ctrl+A, delete, go to the custom field, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Update, first put update in the bottom over there, and let's save it. And you have the chat over here. Now let's test it. Quick side note, I forgot to explain this, okay? This is the sound effect, and here's play audio 4. So when someone enters a message, everyone in the chat can type and it will sound. I made this one because, well, I am a very small VTuber, to be honest. I have like 4 or 5 at most in my lives when I stream. But I sometimes I don't see the message, right? So I added the sound. But if you have more, well, this is not recommendable because someone will spam your chat. So you can play the audio only for all of the chatters, only for the subs and above, the beeps and above, mods and the owner, or the owner only. Or if you don't want it, just click the none one, okay? And you have to upload the file. So you go over here, upload. Here it will say to upload it. I have here again in Spanish. Well, you go over here. This is the sound that you just put it over there, okay? And that's all. Let's continue to the next step. So let's test it, okay? As you can see, it has a very nice sound and a very nice animation too. Also, this chat has something special, but it only works with Twitch. If someone is subscriber, follower, mod, or something like that, it will change the color, okay? So, these colors aren't helping very much. Let me... over there. Let's test again. It looks better. So, that's all. And let me show you some of the chats I have made. All of the chats are free in the website, in the chat packs, okay? that's all. If you need help with something, you can join my Discord and I will help you over there. Thanks you for watching and have a nice day.